Finally, Queensland State Nomination have opened their door for this financial year. We are not gonna talk in detail about the eligibility, that's very generic, mentioned on their website. Today we are gonna discuss what's new Queensland is doing for this financial year. Number one is they have introduced an ROI system. You must apply for registration of interest as soon as you do your EOI. That is compulsory now. Now you can apply with 65 points to be eligible for state nomination. You must have a proficient English. They have introduced a list of occupation which will not be eligible to apply for subclass 190. However, you can apply for subclass 491. We have mentioned the list for you on the screen. You can have a look at it. They have also introduced a list of occupation which will be given priority to apply for subclass 190 and 491. You can again see the list on the screen. Now let's talk about the graduate pathway. For graduate pathway, you must have graduated after 1st July 2022. You must have graduated from the list we have mentioned on the screen. You can be working in any occupation, but it must be skill level 1, which will help you to get an invite undergraduate pathway. They have removed the requirement of having certain level of GPA. It doesn't matter. So far you have graduated from the occupations mentioned on the list. You will be eligible to apply for subclass 190 undergraduate pathway. Now in the next video we are going to talk about briefly about subclass 491 and SBO. There are also major changes in that stream, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.